What's up YouTube, it's Ihsaan of the StyleJumper, your boost to personal style. If you're new to the channel, we release a video once a week where we discuss topics like style, confidence, and etiquette. Don't forget to hit the notification bell below so you'll be notified when we release our next video. Today we're going to be discussing the modest man and how he can look taller, more confident, and sexier. There's all kinds of body types. Tall, athletic, husky, the big boys. Or short, but I like to use the term a modest man. So one of the things about the modest man, or guys who aren't really tall, it's this whole idea of not being confident. And let's dispel that. Just because you're tall doesn't make you confident. Just because you're athletic doesn't make you confident. It's all about maximizing what you have and using that to your advantage. Did you know one of the most fashion-forward places in the world is Japan, where the average height of a man is 5'7". Being 5'7" as the national average of height, there's all types of ways to present yourself and look stylish. Tip number 1, fit is king. No matter what, you need to have the perfect fit for your body. Because otherwise, no matter what you do, no matter what clothes you buy, if it doesn't fit well, it's not going to look good on you. Number 2, the right type of shoe. You shouldn't be able to find square-toe shoes, so please avoid them. Now, we may have a closet full of shoes and we feel guilty that we're not wearing them anymore. If they're in the closet, chuck them or give them away. If you're still wearing them, time to make an investment. You want to have a shoe with more of an oval toe, just to elongate your body. And what I heard is that ladies look at your feet first and all the way up. Slow motion, baby. Tip number 3, don't wear a belt. If you have an option, I suggest pants with tabs. Side tabs so that you can make the adjustment on the side. Number 4, vertical stripes. I definitely recommend if you're going to wear those stripes, you don't want them too wide. Go with a narrow stripe or a medium sized stripe. That'll continue to give that illusion of length and height. Number 5, monochromatic colors. That just means that it's the same color in a gradation of the same color. I recommend darker hues, but obviously you can choose other color variations. But darker hues just, again, doesn't allow for the deviation of the eye. It gives an opportunity for you to look sleek and slender. Number 6, pants length. You want to make sure that your pants aren't too long. Because if your pants are too long, it's going to make you look shorter. You have 2 options with pants length as well. I would recommend no break and also a cuff. It's common to hear that modest guys shouldn't wear cuffs, but I disagree. 2 things I recommend with that. Make sure that your pant leg is a little tapered and your cuff is 1 inch to 1.25 inches. Hairstyle gives you an option, an opportunity to extend your height as well. So one of the things I recommend depends upon your nationality, will determine your hairstyle. One of the things that's come back in style as of recent years is the high top fade, or what we called in the 80s and 90s, a box. So that'll give you some height, or if you have straighter hair, maybe that real cool hipster look. The 8th thing to help a modest man to look taller, more confident, and sexier is a hat. Getting your hat game on. And no, fellas, not your Yankees hat. No, that's not what I'm talking about. Wear a hat with a brim. Your traditional fedora or a trilby. The difference is how tall the hat is and how wide the brim is. You can play around with different types of hats just to see which one fits your face the most. Number 9, the waist of your trousers. If you're a modest man, look and see if you can find a high-waisted trouser. A high-waisted trouser, again, gives you more length from your waistline to your ankle. Number 10, go a little edgy. Wear black. You know, right now, leather jackets are in trend. Try a leather jacket, the white tee, and some jeans. Now here's a bonus tip. If you don't have a tailor, find one. If you have one, keep them on speed dial. They'll be your best friend. If you enjoyed this video, comment below. If you have any questions about style, put those in the comments as well. I'd love to answer those for you. And remember, when you leave home today, walk out with style, confidence, and etiquette. And modest man, let's get your sexy on.